All right. What this means right here is the following. This means it says f of h of negative 2, which is a fancy way of just saying this here. It's fixing to say, take the f function and plug the h1 in it. That's what this is saying. So I'm going to first off do h of negative 2. That's the first thing I need to find. So I'm going to find h of negative 2 here. We're working problem number 11 first. So I come up here to h, and I slide over to negative 2, and that answer is 4. So h of negative 2 just equals 4. So what I'm going to do next is this. I'm now going to find f, not of negative 2, but I'm going to find f of 4 because that was my answer for h of negative 2. So now what I'm going to do is come up here and find the f and move along to where I see 4. That makes the answer then what? Negative 2. That would be the answer to number 11 right there. All right? So now then let's try 13. 13 is a little bit different. This is saying basically you're going to take f of 0 and you're going to divide it by g of 0. So what I want to do is this. Let's find f of 0. Now I should have probably erased those from right there. So I'll tell you what, let's do this in even a little different color. Just so we can do this right here. So f of 0 will equal, here's my f, going to come all the way over here to 0. So f of 0 will be 12 divided by, right, g of 0. Well, g at 0 is 4. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Right? So I need to work, tell you what, let's do. Everybody have all those right there? I'm going to trash those out of there. You can pause it if you need to a second. Let's go back. I like kind of the red colors there in my blues to start off with. So let's do problem 15. Now this one is a times. It's not an f of. So what that means is I'm going to take basically f of 1. I'm going to get that answer, which f of 1, here's f. So f of 1 is 5. Right? And I'm going to find h1. And h of 1, well, h at 1 is negative 5. And all what this means right here is this. This f of h of 1 simply means the following. It means I'm going to take that 5 times that negative 5. Well, 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. That would be my answer right there. That would be the answer right there to number 15. All right, see what let's do. I have to erase some zeros, so let's erase that part right there. Okay? And let's come here and work this particular problem here. F minus h of negative 5. So what I first off want to do is this here. I want to find, this is a minus. So I'm going to take first off and find f of negative 5. So I'm going to come up here. F at negative 5 is that 3. I'm now going to find h of negative 5. And h at negative 5 is, looks like it's 25. Right there, right there. All right. Need to write a little better. My 3 didn't turn out too good there. So what this says is this here. F minus h. Okay. F minus h of negative 5 means this. Take the f value, which was 3, and I'm going to minus the 25. Well, 3 minus 25 is negative 22. That would be the answer then, negative 22. All right? There, we just work the odd problems from this plan table. We find our numbers from up here and plug them in. That's how we do that.